Alright, so just packing up the stuff. It's 11:23 in Paris and 10:23 in London. We're meant to wake up at 7. Turns out when you don't sleep for 41 hours, it's not exactly possible. So yeah, we slept for a bit longer. But see, the thing is, no one can see us here. Sit one here, one there. Hug your bag. Sit.
Yes, ready?
Yes, good.
Ready. Okej, to tak. Opuszczam miejsce pracy właśnie. Z plecakiem, proszę bardzo. No i zaczynamy dzisiaj. Z 1 lipca. No i plan na Eurotrip. Po tym całym lockdownie, który jeszcze możliwe, że trwa. Dopiero to się okaże, jak będziemy się przemieszczać. Europa Wschodnia najbardziej nas interesuje. Tutaj Zachód to już znamy. No i tyle, zaczynamy. Ej, nie mów, że nagrywasz jak nagrywam. Co? Siemanko.
So, this is it. Where do we have to go now?
Finsbury Park.
Okay, so there's 2 options, right? You can try a hitchhike out of London straight south, so try and get to Dover as quick as you can, or you could do a little trick. You could go up north, and there is a truck stop. Yeah, it's a big parking basically, and what's going to be the idea is go there, try to figure out if any of the guys are willing to take us, or if anyone's going towards Dover, maybe towards France even, and then try and catch something from there.
If not, we can just walk. It takes around 2 days.
Which bike is heavier?
Yeah. I can tell like your one.
How much you reckon? 20?
You say that my one, yeah?
I reckon that's 20, bro.
Okay, 16.
16, yeah.
18.
18. So we've got about 20 kg per head. A lot more than I expected, if I'm honest. I expected it to be somewhere in the region of 10. Alright, this is it. Welling Garden City this goes to, but we're going to be getting off at Potter's Bar. And then from there I don't know. We'll figure out once we get there. What's this? That floor. Health and safety. Oh, we're here, so just straight down. Jeez! That's it. All the way down this road. Straight down. How long roughly? 50 minutes? 50 minutes to an hour. Oh, it'll be alright. No entry, apparently. So from here, we're going to try to find someone that can drop us off to Dover. Hey, attention, mec!
You're going to Dover by chance?
Pardon?
Ferry?
You?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What time are you going? Not today.
Not today, okay. Thank you. So, excuse me, are you going Dover by any chance? Sorry, buddy, you going Dover by any chance? Cheers, mate. Gents, any of you going Dover by any chance? Or towards down south, no? Up the other way. Alright, cheers, mate. Sorry, buddy, excuse me. Sorry, are you going back to Dover by any chance? Or down? Hey, buddy, sorry to disturb you. Are you going Dover by any chance?
No worries, lads. Into Dover, maybe? Dover? No?
To Hayes, you're going back where I live. Fuck. You going down any chance? We're trying to get to Dover to catch a ferry. Are you going down south by any chance? I'm trying to get to Dover.
No.
You're going Luton? Alright, wrong way. Alright, thank you. That's another no. Just carry on looking. Hopefully we'll find something soon-ish. If not, carry on looking. So, let's go and check out the other side. Try and fucking surround this guy, bruv. You don't run away. Where is this brethren, bruv? Oh, there he is.
Pausa. For how long?
Tomorrow. Jutro.
Tomorrow, 5.
Okay, 5 a.m. Alright. Okay.
Are you from Czech Republic?
Bulgaria.
Bulgaria? Ah, Bulgaria, nice.
Okay.
But yeah, because I saw Česká republika. Yeah, thank you. He was nice. See, that's kind of the spirit we need. Obviously, he's leaving tomorrow, so that's a bit tight. I just hope that we haven't got here too late. I hope we haven't got here too late, so people are not. Yeah, ask this guy. So people are not, you know, just staying here over the night. Hey, what's this? That milk? Wow, bare milk, fresh ways. Alright, found it. There we go. Those crisps. It's clear and visible. That's all we need. There's David's on the phone to someone and he's just explaining to people how we're traveling with no money and no one can understand. That's why you follow this channel. That's why you're following us, to see how you can do it with no money. Oh wait, there's a truck coming. Just to get the sign out.
Tam Karol pomaga jakiemuś koleżce właśnie naprawiać samochód. Koleżka utknął. Jest godzina blisko 17 i obyśmy się stąd wydostali. To jest taka misja, ale zawsze z Londynu się wydostać, że jest przejebane. No. Oby się udało.
What just happened was a man broke down on the side of the M25. He needed some help. He needed filling up some fuel, and I helped him out with the fuel. I helped him out with a broken car, broken trailer. As a result, he's going to give us a lift. So, favour for a favour. That makes hell a lot of sense. 1 hour 31 to go.
Yeah. Already very strong.
What, V8?
Yeah, V8.
This was our ride. Okay. Right, sit rep. We made it to fucking Dover from London, hitchhiking. Obviously. My cameras are dirty. Now we need to cross the channel. And then from there it'll be pretty easy. Hopefully we won't have to cross it separately, so he doesn't cross today and I cross tomorrow, or I cross today, he crosses tomorrow. Because the thing is, the truck drivers can only have one extra driver. And we're going to try and go for us an extra driver, if that happens. Don't know about Corona times, don't know exactly what's going on right now. So it'll be interesting to see. Some of the drivers are already telling us that Corona and stuff, they're not allowed to take anyone over and, you know, on the truck, and because they have cameras and stuff, which makes sense. Making sure my spelling is correct, because my French is not good. Poland!
El Polacos.
Hello, Poland.
Sí.
Alright, this is the next one.
Mucho bien.
So when we get to there, we'll be in France.
That's the plan. Rozdzieliliśmy się z Karolem po to, żeby każdy z nas złapał po ciężarówce po prostu i być jako pasażer, a poza tym idzie drugi kierowca też. Okay, so I catch the car, but we have to split with Karol because it's so hard to catch together. No one wants to take the, two people. And yeah, hopefully he can take the same ferry with like me. And if not, I'm gonna see him in France.
I am in Dover, but I am by myself. Don't know where David is. He got the hitchhike probably about an hour and a half before me. And bearing in mind, waited about 3 hours for the first one. I think I did a pretty good job to only be an hour and a half behind him. I'm not sure if he's gone on the ferry already. He's not picking up his phone. If he is, he's gonna wait for me in Calais.
Vámonos.
Vamos, we have made it. Necesito mi masco.
Y yo también masco. Y esto.
I need to find my mask before I get onto the ferry, because that's the new rules. It's a bit Pete, it's a mask. Oh, no one's wearing it, I'm not wearing this shit.
The mask.
Oh, so why, how come he has to wear one? I've just been told off for not having a mask in French. Thank fuck my French. I don't know if you can hear me well, but it's peak. It's Corona, mate. But at least I got a free meal, which is good. I'm on the petrol station that I told David to meet up. He's not here yet, so I don't know where he is, but hopefully he will get here. He's not picking up his phone. I don't really know what's going on with him at the moment. But yeah, I'm gonna just have to wait for him, and yes, hopefully he arrives. But I'm in France, so I've made it, so it's all good. I'm gonna go and find a place to chill, couch for a bit. So much police here though, because there is apparently a lot of illegal immigrants trying to get through the borders. It is in London. It is, oh, there we go, Dave calling me. Hello. Wagwan.
Jo, no jak tam?
Jestem na stacji, czekam na ciebie.
A, na stacji, stary, my dopiero się spakowaliśmy tu. A za 2 godziny będziemy.
Za 2 godziny? Ty jeszcze czekasz na prom?
Nie, wszyscy weszliśmy na górę, już mamy talerz przed nosem i ten.
A, jecie dopiero. A, czaję. Dobra. So David's just arrived. I caught the hitchhike an hour and a half after him, and I was here 2 hours before him. But what can you do? It's life. But he's made it. He's made it.
Siema Ramirez!
Siema! Yo!
Idź na ten, na lewą stronę, wrzucimy to na pakę, te plecaki, bo tutaj kurwa...
Spoko.
Dobra, ja...
Posłuchasz Edimena. A to takiemu tubę wyjebie w ryj i stary padnie. A kurwa wiesz...
Je t'aime!
Oui!
Oui, oui, comme ci, comme ça, oh là là! Oh là 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 là!
Morning, people. Oh fuck.